Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the SSAT. First, understand the test structure and content for your specific level. The SSAT has 3 levels: elementary, middle, and upper, each tailored to different grade admissions. Familiarize yourself with the verbal, quantitative, and reading comprehension sections. Knowing what to expect is your first crucial step towards effective preparation. This foundational understanding will guide your entire study plan, ensuring you focus on relevant areas. Next, take a full-length diagnostic test to pinpoint your strengths and weaknesses. This initial assessment is invaluable for creating a targeted study plan. Once you have your results, develop a realistic schedule, dedicating specific blocks of time to each section. Prioritize areas where you scored lower, perhaps below 70%, to maximize your improvement. Consistent, focused practice based on your diagnostic will yield the best results. Now, dive into content review for the verbal and quantitative sections. Strengthen your vocabulary and mathematical concepts relevant to the test. For reading comprehension, practice with a variety of passages and question styles to build speed and accuracy. Always use official SSAT practice materials. They offer the most authentic representation of the actual exam. Consistent practice, perhaps 30 to 45 minutes daily, is key to solidifying your understanding and improving performance. Finally, master test-taking strategies. Learn effective time management for each section, ensuring you don't spend too long on any single question. Practice skipping difficult questions and returning to them if time allows, maximizing your score. On test day, get good rest and eat a healthy breakfast. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. A calm and prepared mindset is just as important as your knowledge.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.